Inception vibes. Like the house they get lost in. Interesting. That's a good den, Mama. Good job. All of a sudden, it's because that boat passed through. Look at some waves, Mama. Yeah, my pretty girl. Oh, you're so gorgeous, honey. I love you. She's like, Mom, I gotta check it out. Why is it wavy all of a sudden? These little guys, I think they're kind of a cool find. Let's hope this doesn't end horribly, huh? Let's see if we can figure this out. Can film that. Great. Well, I just hung this. It looks crazy right now, I know, but it's gonna come together, I think. Hopefully. And I marked out the studs, which those are in a stud, these are in a stud, and then the third one, I wanted to do 3 in a row. Do that one, and then the third one here. The thing is though, it doesn't leave any room to like get up on the bed. It's perfect for storage, but there's no room to like get up on the bed right there. Maybe 2? Definitely 2. Able to come off with something. I don't know. Maybe they won't. I just have to live with them forever till the end of time. Definitely not doing it for over here now. Now that I looked at it. Just on the space. I'm sweating. Woo. These 2-inch wood screws now. So far. 4 there in a stud. That one went right through the shiplap. These are both all-in studs, which is amazing. It's honestly, I mean, this one's not super sturdy, so I'm gonna do a 2-incher right in between here. Let's see what happens. Moral and motto of my life. For now, it's something. Pile some shit in it. What do we think? know it's incomplete without it though. I really need to think about this. So. Wow, exciting stuff. Revolutionary. A little bit of sawdust, but not much. Now, just not to bash your head off of it too. That's definitely good to avoid doing. Doesn't look like much, but it's rather nice. Look at you. You're so brave anymore. You always want to go in the water, huh? Oh, here we go. Where there's a beach, there's trash. Bring your Easter shit and just leave them behind. Yeah, totally. Oh my god, I just sunk down in that and scared the crap out of me. Sinkhole. Countertop day. I don't know if I should go that way more. I kind of want it like at the edge here. I don't even want there to be a gap. This is the general idea. Frame's gonna go there. This is gonna attach to the wall. Ugh. Somehow.
over, Jen.
Ooh, delightful, honey. I love ya.